Hi everybody, how are you doing? I'm Mark from Getting Knotted Paracord, and to celebrate 3,000 subscribers, thank you every single one of you, I thought I would do something I haven't done in a long time, and that is make a bracelet. So this is a Fusion Cobra, and I've done it Mad Max style with a scaffold knot on the end. So I'll stop waffling and let's get on with it. Right, I've got two cords. Grey is the main colour, blue is the highlight colour. We're not doing buckles today, it's going to be Mad Max, so it'll be adjustable as well, which will be really easy to do. And the first thing I'm going to do, because it's a Fusion Cobra, we are going to do the Cobra. So I always start on the left. It goes over the top of your 2 center cords like that. See? The right hand cord goes over the top of that one, round the back. Whoops, hang on. Around the back and through the hole there. It's a bit fiddly, and I'm sorry my hands are in the way, but there you go. Like that. So you've got this going on. Okay? Now then, you get your highlight cord, which is blue for me. Could be any colour you like. And what we're going to do is poke it through the middle. So I found the halfway mark on the blue. I'm going to poke it up, poke it through like that, and then what I do, I hold the top cord like that and just pull the other side all the way through like that. Cinch it all up and do this as tight as you can, because this is going to be the top of the bracelet. See, I've done it as tight as I can, like that. Right. Right, so now we're going to start the weave, okay? The cord that started on that side is going to go over the top of the 2 center cords like that. We're going to bring the other one down, round behind everything, out the other side, but do not tighten it up yet, because you get the highlight colour, it goes behind everything, up through the middle, pull it all the way out, like that, and now you cinch everything back up again. It looks a mess, and I keep saying the first is always the worst. Then I pull the blue like that, and you pull the grey. Now if you don't know where you are, if you put it down and get lost, all you need to remember is the top highlight colour goes behind everything. So we're doing it once more, over the top, behind everything, and out the other side. And the blue one behind, through the middle, and you guessed it, cinch it all up. So tighten the grey up first, your main colour, and then pull the highlight colour up, and there you go. We just keep going with the pattern all the way down to the bottom. Let's do the other side. Behind everything, up through the middle. Out the other side. Like that. Pull the highlight colour, pull the highlight colour, pull the grey. There you go. And just keep going with the pattern all the way to the bottom. Right. So here's the pattern. It's come out quite well actually. I'm quite surprised at how good it came out. But there you go. What I'm going to do is basically snip and singe these blue ones here, kind of spot weld them into that bit there, and I'm going to get the grey cords and I'm going to poke them through the hole with a fid. Then I'm going to come out it and poke them up through these two bits here. So that's the next stage. Right, so here we go. And for today's finishing knot, I'm going to do the scaffold knot again. It's really easy. I get my two cords, I get the top cord, and I wrap it round the bottom cord twice. I've gone once, and I need to wrap it again, but towards my thumb. So there's one. Twice, like that. Then I'm going to get the end and poke it through the middle. This is quite hard because I'm actually looking at it through the camera and not, haha, there's the pun, in real life. But there you go. It goes through. Pull it together like that. And there is your scaffold knot, like that. Nice and easy. Now all I'm going to do is snip and singe the ends here, snip and singe these ends here, like that, and we're done. And did I mention that I have 3,000 subscribers? Now if you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and do the notification bell, you could help make it 4,000. Right, so there you go. That is the Fusion Cobra Paracord Bracelet Mad Max style with a scaffold knot at the end. I think it came out quite well. Now, as I've said before, if you haven't already, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. But in the meantime, YouTube would like you to watch this video here, and I would like you to watch that playlist over there. So off you go, and I shall see you in the next one. All right, bye.